Looking for a simple, healthy, and swadist sabji without onion and garlic? Today I'm going to show you how to make mooli and mooli leaves bhurji, which is not only easy to prepare but also full of flavor and nutrients. Step 1 is the preparation. Start by taking two fresh radish, which is mooli, with their leaves. Separate the leaves from the radish and wash them thoroughly, as leaves contain dirt. Now finely chop the leaves and keep them aside. Next, peel the radish and cut it into small dice pieces. Now, step 2 is cooking the base. Heat a kadhai and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Then add a broken dry red chilli to enhance the flavor. Now add the diced radish to the kadhai and saute it for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, mix everything well and let the spices coat the radish evenly. Now add the chopped mooli leaves, mix everything, cover the pan and let it cook on low to medium flame. After a few minutes, remove the lid and add salt to taste. Cover again and cook until the radish becomes soft and leaves are fully cooked. Always add salt later so the radish does not release too much water early. Once cooked, remove the lid and lightly roast the sabji to remove excess moisture and enhance the flavor. This simple mooli and leaf sabji is now ready. It tastes best with hot roti or paratha.